Not long ago, we received the latest ThermoCook Pro M2 from Fruity to test out some recipes to see how it functions. We previously had the original ThermoCook Pro, which has been a great appliance, but now we've got this one here. We're a little bit spoiled because it has inbuilt recipes and a whole bunch of features that the original TC Pro M didn't have. So I'm going to turn it on and show you how it works. We've decided to make some Anzac biscuits today using the inbuilt recipes because tomorrow is Anzac Day here in Australia. So we'll get started. Turning on. Okay, to start off, we're going to go to the 3 squares with a circle, which will bring up the screen, the coloured screen with all the categories of cooking. We're going to go over to baking and snacks. And this is a scroll menu, so you can type them down. And there is the chewy Anzac biscuits. So with the recipes, it gives you the ingredients. They're listed at the top, and then you scroll down and you've got tips, preparation. Now, if you want to weigh out the ingredients, it has inbuilt scales. You just put a container on here and you set the tar weight to 0 and you add your ingredients in the vessel on top. Now, I've already done that just to speed things up for the purpose of this demonstration. So I've weighed out everything using the inbuilt scales and they're all ready to go. So we're going to go into the screen and going to select Make, which will start us off on making the Anzac biscuits. Okay, so the first ingredient instructions have come up. It says place 12 grams of butter, which we found is not quite enough that you need. So we're adding 100 grams of butter to this recipe. We're going to add the first lot of ingredients into the ThermoCook bowl, which will be a tablespoon of golden syrup, 120 grams of brown sugar, into this bowl, and we're going to melt the butter as well. Just cut it into chunks so it's just going to melt more evenly that way. And I'm using maple syrup instead of golden syrup. That's my preference. And I'm using coconut sugar instead of the brown. So already into the machine, it is preset with the temperature and the speed to melt the butter and mix the ingredients. So again, we just press the play. And we have action. Let's see what happens. Okay, time to peek inside. The lid does smell nice. Okay, have a look at the next step. So we've got our baking soda, some cold water. Back on with our lid. And what have we got here? So this one is, the next step is we're mixing for 10 seconds at speed 3, and you'll see the 10 seconds on the clock and the speed. Ready to go. Going to hit play or the sideways triangle, and away we go. Have a look. Oh yes, that's mixed very nicely. So now we're going to add the oats, flour and coconut for 40 seconds on reverse speed 2. So our oats and our flour and our desiccated coconut. Okay, that's it for all the ingredients for the Anzac biscuits. Now the lid is on, the screen has changed. You'll see it's on 2 for speed. And this little green blade thing is showing you the reverse blade in action. It means it's been selected because it's in the green. If it was in the black, it wasn't selected. So the ThermoCook Pro M2 has automatically highlighted that this will be reverse speed action on this occasion, and it will go for 40 seconds. So 40 seconds, reverse speed 2 for the final lot of ingredients. We'll hit the sideways triangle again to start. Mixture looks good. There's our mixture for the Anzac biscuits. This is a spatula that comes with the ThermoCook. You won't damage blades and that using this one. You don't want to use anything sharp and nasty on those blades. Okay, they're rolled and flattened. Time to put the Anzac biscuits in the oven. So out of the oven, these have been resting for about 5 minutes. They are still a little bit soft. I'm just going to gently place them on the plate so you can see how they look. Biggie time. Okay, we're going to try these, and I hope you try them and have success too.
Have a bite.
Oh.
Have a bite test?
Okay, I'm only having a bite test because Belle says I should.